Our company, TOS Hulin, has been a designer and manufacturer of machine tools for several decades. We have installed our machines in more than 70 countries around the world. We are one of the world's leaders in designing and manufacturing technologically advanced multifunctional CNC machining centers for large workpieces. Our long-term focus is on innovative solutions and on quality of our machines. Our machines meet the highest requirements for parameter stability, for longevity, for reliability, and high precision. We focus on our customers' every need. Thanks to our own development team and our own design team, we can satisfy all the requirements from our customers that come from various industrial fields.
The development of machine tools is a long-term, never-ending process. We are permanently looking for new technologies, new ways how to improve this process, how to improve the parameters of our machines. We are using products from Autodesk in our design department, and that's why we decided to use the new technology of generative design to optimize selected part of our machine. The goal of the pilot project was to reduce the total weight of a selected part of the machine in aim to improve the accuracy of the machine. The technology of generative design is very interesting because it generates many variants of part shape based on selected criteria. What's very interesting and useful is the possibility to select also the production technology for the parts and to characterize the generation of the shape.
Nástroj generativního designu, navrhování, nás překvapil v tom, že nám ukázal úplně nový pohled na proces konstruování. Navrhování probíhalo tak, že jsme zadali nějaké základní parametry do tady toho programu a výsledkem toho bylo návrh desítek různých tvarových možností, z které jsme vybrali jednu. Vybrali jsme tvar, který pro nás byl nejvýhodnější pro naši výrobu. Před vytvořením finální výkresové dokumentace jsme provedli výpočetní analýzu v programu MKP, kde jsme si ověřili, že tuhost téhle konstrukce je dostačující a neovlivní nám funkčnost jako celku.
Generative design is Autodesk's computer-based design exploration technology. Designers or engineers input design goals into our generative design software, along with parameters such as performance or spatial requirements, materials, manufacturing methods, cost constraints. The software explores all of the possible permutations of that design, generating design alternatives. It tests and learns from each iteration, providing many possible solutions. This provides tremendous value to our customers because it allows them to explore new product design creation methodologies and also part consolidation.
We used the technology of generative design with the goal to reduce the total weight of the tool magazine, which is placed on our vertical turning center. We achieved a reduction from 600 kilograms to 500 kilograms of the total weight, and the result is better geometrical accuracy of our machine tool. We are sure that the technology of generative design allows us to improve the development process and finally allows us to offer our customers better machines with better parameters and characteristics. So now we are looking for a next machine parts which can be potentially optimized by this technology. One of the reasons why we are looking for these modern technologies and optimization of the parts is the sustainability of our machines used by our customers, and we are also looking for methods how to improve the energy effectivity of our machines.